Guys, good evening. Anyway, I just want to ask, how are you all today? Before I go to sleep, I just want to say have a good night's sleep everyone and see you tomorrow. Anyway, before I'm going to sleep, I need to write a little bit in my life story in my laptop so that I can finish this one, and I hope and pray that before end of this year I was able to publish this story. I want to publish this story and put it in the book. I'm already in the chapter 4. I think this is until chapter 7, chapter 8. This is my true to life story. I hope you can, when I publish this and put it in the book, I hope everyone will get a copy, buy a copy in my book. And I'm the author of this because this is my own life story. I just want to write a little bit before I go to sleep. I need to type. See, this is my own life story before I go, because a very long time I'm planning to write my own life story, but only now I decided to start writing it. See, I put a picture of what I'm telling in the story, in the meaning of the story, that so that the readers will understand about what my story, my life journey. There I have a picture, an old picture, and my recent picture, like that. And there is a Bible verse together with my story. All the meaning related to my story about the Bible verse, the verse in the Bible that is related to my story. Anyway guys, that's all, and thank you very much. If you like my video, click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Bye. I miss you all. I love you all.